Next comes the International Literacy Day. If we talk about International Literacy Day, this is celebrated on 8th of September by UNESCO. The main aim is to draw the attention of the people all over the world towards the need to educate everyone. In India, National Literacy Mission has launched a program Each One Teach One. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan was also started by the government aiming at providing free and compulsory education to all the children between the age of 5 and 14 years. So, International Literacy Day is observed on 8th of September every year across the globe to promote and support the development of literacy and skills, universal access to quality education, and learning opportunities throughout people's lives. International Literacy Day is to make people aware about the importance of literacy for individuals, communities, and societies, and the need for intensified efforts towards more literate society. So I hope you have understood about International Literacy Day. Next comes the Teachers' Day. You all are well aware about it. So let's see what is basically Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on. Next comes the Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the occasion of the birthday of former President Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a second President of India and a teacher, always gave a lot of importance to teachers. So, 5th September, which is his birthday, is celebrated as the Teachers' Day. The day is dedicated to the hard work and importance of a teacher in a life. Students' community is well prepared to show gratitude to their teachers. They prepare dance, role play, and other cultural activities. Next comes Children's Day. I know that this is your favorite day. So, what is basically Children's Day? Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru. Among children, he advocated for children to have fulfilled education. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children a lot. He always said that the future of any nation lies in the hands of its children. So 14th November, which is his birthday, is celebrated as the Children's Day. Next comes Van Mahotsav Day. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting movement in India which initially began in 1950. The name Van Mahotsav means the festival of trees. It has gained significant importance every year. Millions of saplings are planted across India in observation of Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav festival was started in 1950 by Dr. K. M. Munshi, then the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to create enthusiasm among masses for forest conservation and planting trees. It is celebrated in almost all parts of India but usually begins between 1st July to 7th July. The festival raises the awareness of trees among people and highlights the need for planting and tending trees as one of the best ways to prevent global warming and reduce pollution. Then comes United Nations Day. The purpose of UN is to preserve peace, advance justice, and constitute a permanent structure for international cooperation. In other words, it acts as a world forum to help countries work together to achieve peace and human rights. It was formed on 24th of October 1945, just after the World War II. Today, there are 193 member countries who meet regularly to discuss peace, health, security problems facing the nations. So it is celebrated on 24th of October every year. Talks, debates and seminars are held to celebrate this day. So likewise children, we have other important days also. So these are the list of important days that are celebrated in India and all parts of the world. So these are mentioned date wise and month wise. Good morning students. Hope you all are fine and have enjoyed your summer vacations. Now we are going to start with our next chapter, that is days to celebrate. If you look at the calendar children, you will see now and then we celebrate something like religious festivals, harvest festivals, national festivals and some important events like Earth Day, then Environmental Day, Van Mahotsav, etc. So in this chapter we are going to deal with some important days that are celebrated all over the world. So let's start us with the chapter, that is chapter 25, days to celebrate. First comes student the Earth Day. Earth Day, as you all know, it is celebrated on 22nd of April every year. Gaylord Nielsen, a US senator, founded the Earth Day on 22nd April 1970. Since then, we celebrate Earth Day for creating awareness about Earth's resources and the need to conserve them. So, Earth Day is celebrated on April 22 every year. The day aims to raise awareness among masses about climate change and global warming. The day inspires to act towards the protection of the environment and focus on the need for conservation. Earth Day is recognized as the largest civic event in the world. Earth Day demands immediate action to be taken to tackle industrial pollution, oil spills, toxic waste disposal and others. 2020 marks 50 years of Earth Day. If we more talk about it, many workshops, talks and seminars and even competitions are held for students so to spread the message of preservation. So we all must remember that Earth is our mother and we must preserve it for our future generation. Next comes the World Environment Day. You all are aware about what is this? So let's see. The main idea behind marking June 5 as World Environment Day is so that we are aware of what is needed to be done to protect our environment. The day raises awareness about the environmental issues like global warming, marine pollution, human overpopulation, protection of wildlife, and sustainable consumption. It has spread so far and wide that WED has become a global platform for countries to reach out to the public. So, WED, it is World Environment Day. Many activities are held to take us aware of the dangers our environment is facing. Then painting competitions, rallies, plays all are held on these days so that people can become aware about the disadvantages of killing of wild animals, cutting down of forest, then global warming, etc. So I hope children you have understood these two topics. First is the Earth Day that is celebrated every year on 22nd of April, and the next is World Environment Day that is celebrated on 5th of June every year.